I want to introduce our class in four steps to effective ministry. This class is going to be covering the 4 steps in Love and Life Ministries, which is inspire, empower, connect, and contribute, and inherit. So you could have 4 steps, you could have 5 steps. And we can see there's some flexibility in this regard in every church. The main point of this class is that all successful churches have some sort of process that moves people through a path of joining the church, of becoming solid within the church, of feeling really they're part of the family, and then building their faith, deepening their faith, then being able to contribute more and bring others into the faith and become a full-fledged disciple, or in our case, a blessed central family. There has to be a path, and this path needs to be clearly demarked. There has to be educational components to the path, mentoring, practical markers to the path. And the one traditional, and Christian churches use different terms to call the path, to call the steps on the path. Some of those terms are win, consolidate, build, send. Rick Warren has evangelism, worship, fellowship, disciple, and ministry. And we use the terms inspire, empower, connect, contribute, and inherit. The main point is that there's something substantive represented by these words, and that this substantive thing is ministry, and it's helping people grow. And so we want to enact this in our churches in America and worldwide, because it's the way that people do join the church. So the fact that our national leadership has identified these terms and is connecting to them and is working with them is a great breakthrough. And so the purpose of this 5 weeks is to really unpack, inspire, empower, connect, contribute, inherit, and look at our own local churches and see how we are doing those things. So if you're gonna look at the syllabus, you're going to see that in the first week we are going to look at inspire. The second week it's going to be empower. Third week connect. Fourth week contribute. And in the last week it's going to be inherit.
A little coffee, maybe pico, a little something to help myself to think.
You're gonna have the opportunity to engage your local church, look at your local church. How are we doing these things? How are these things, or if they're taking place in our local church? How can we improve performance? And how can I contribute something to the process in my local church? We're going to discuss with each other about our efforts in this regard. And so I encourage you to look at the syllabus and to follow.